Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today, Glossybox unboxing. This is February's box. I have had it on my dining room table for, I'm going to say a week, 2 weeks. I haven't quite got around to doing an unboxing. Life has been a bit busy, but we're going to do it now. Normally, Valentine's is a limited edition box. You don't normally get the pink box, and this year is exactly, is no different. So, oh, it's pretty though. It says, it's all about hearts, love, and it's got all the little love print around. That's quite nice. But say they normally do, there's certain boxes, obviously I've been getting glossy boxes, I'm going to say since 2015. Yeah, about that. Literally, they started doing them in the UK, and then a month later I started them. Hello, Darwin. So for as long as glossy boxes have been available in the UK, I've been doing them. In certain boxes, they always tend to do like a limited non-pink box, Valentine's, Christmas, that kind of thing. They always do one in summer as well. But yes, this is February's box for 2019. I've got a ASDA George just out of shot. There you go. There's a nose giving me paw because he wants attention. Because he's beautiful. Anyway, hello Darwin. Right, let's show you what's in the box. It is a medium weight, medium to light actually. There's not a whole lot of weight there, but that doesn't mean anything really. Does it, Darwin? It doesn't mean anything. Right. Oh, look, even the ribbon has got hearts on it. That's cute. Extra bit of detail. So we have the leaflet. It's pink tissue paper. Let's jump right in. Are you excited? That's why it's light. So we have got 2 fragrance samples, Alien Man Fusion and then the Alien Fusion. So I'm assuming the ladies and man scents in a 1.2 ml. I thought Glossybox got over this like years ago. Let's see. His and Her Treats. Okay. So full size for the ladies is £49. Full size for the man is £47. But just to put some idea on that, you get 50 ml for £47 of the man's, and I've got a 1 ml. Yeah. Right. Next item, I have a multivitamin mask, Radiant Complex by Vitamin Masks. It looks like that. Achieve breathtaking complexion with this pampering Korean face mask. £4.99. I can't really show you anything because it's like sealed, but yeah. Then I've got a brush. It is for highlighting. I'm not the biggest brush user. We're probably aware of that if you've been here a while. Like one of these little fan brushes, aren't you meant to do like highlight there? I use a cream highlight, but we've got a brush. This is full size. Medium fan face brush, a 560 by Luxy Beauty. These are recommended retail 15 quid. And yeah, I'm right, it's to add shimmer to the face. So at least I knew what it was for. But I say I use a cream highlighter most of the time. Oh, actually, okay, there's stuff under this stuff. So I might have to change my attitude a little bit. I thought I'd been a bit gypped, but there's stuff hidden underneath it. Next item, this is by Regenerate Enamel Science toothpaste. Okay, so this is a deluxe mini. There's nothing more charming than a nice smile. Give your teeth a spruce with this regenerating, strengthening, enamel mineralizing, restoring toothpaste. Deluxe Mini, it's 14ml, that's worth £2.50. Full £10 for the full size thing. So it's toothpaste. Okay. This I like the look of. We have a Nails Ink, focus, Nails Ink nail polish in the shade, is it Status Ready? I don't know. But that's a very nice colour, and that's a very nice nail polish. Yeah, Status Ready nail varnish, long lasting, super glossy. This sultry nail polish is fabulous and intense. Deep cherry red hue, better yet, it boasts an expertly designed brush that perfectly fits the shape and width of your nail. Recommended retail £15. These are lovely, lovely nail polishes, so happy with that. That doesn't get flung. And then the last item that was hidden. Ooh. Okay, right. We're changing our attitude. I had a face on earlier, but to be fair to me, this and this was hidden under packaging, and I thought I'd had a brush, toothpaste and perfume samples. So this is a Huda Beauty lip contour. And these are recommended retail at £16. Now, the reason I'm getting excited is because my favourite lip product of the moment, which I'm not wearing because I'm wearing a Primark lipstick because that's just how my life is. But my favourite at the moment is a Huda Beauty lip gloss that dries matte in the shade Girlfriend. I love it. And I think this will go quite nicely with it. So it's just a lip crayon. I'm really impressed. This is be like the second item I've had from Huda Beauty, but literally since I got the lip gloss, I've worn it pretty much every day. It is become my favourite lip product at the moment. So I have high hopes for this lip pencil. So ending on a high note. So yeah, I like that. So you could have got this in the shade Venus or Flirt. I got mine in the shade Venus. Very happy with that colour. I think that works quite well, as I'm very much a nudie brown kind of lip person. So yes, so I've gone from having a stroppy face to a happy face. So favourite items, most definitely these. The box is like £12 including delivery, I think. And the lip pencil is £16 and the nail polish is £15. So I'm up financially. Going on holiday soon, so I might take the little toothpaste with me. I won't use that. This might get used, and perfume samples normally end up in a box. But yes, happy with this month's box. Even if I had a face on at the beginning. Should never judge a book by its cover, or whatever the saying is, I suppose. Right, I'm going to stop that there. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.